Good morning and welcome to day 3 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. Well, no, this is not day 3 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. That vlog is coming in like a minute. I just wanted to quickly drop in and say a few things like thank you to the guys over at Goodwood for having us over, and then thank you guys for watching the vlogs, commenting on all the vlogs, liking the vlogs. I was scrolling through the comments of yesterday's vlog, like Saturday's vlog, and the response was so positive, and it's so nice to see that our hard work is appreciated because we put many hours into making these videos, and it's always nice to see that that is appreciated by you guys, which is the most important thing in the world for us. So yeah, it's now actually current day. We are back home already. It's Monday, but I just wanted to quickly drop in and say thank you to Goodwood and thank you to you guys. Thank you for watching all the vlogs, as I said earlier. And yeah, let's now just drop in and watch Sunday's vlog as well. Good morning, and just like that, it is time for us to leave. We still have a few hours left at the circuit, so we're going to make the most of that. And as usual, feel free to join us. And yeah, after that, we will be heading home again, and we'll start looking forward to the next event. So we have arrived at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, and we are ready to take on day 3 here at the event. And yeah, we are going to be here until 3 p.m. It's now 11 a.m. so that's still a few hours that we have left. We're going to film a lot more cars in order to get all the footage that we need to release separate videos of all these cars, which you will see being uploaded in the upcoming months probably. And yeah, I'll see what else we get up to, but I think it'll be interesting nonetheless. I thought there were a lot of people yesterday, but oh my god, I think there's like double the amount of people today, which is unbelievable. This event is absolutely packed. But yeah, I'm on my way to the spot where I want to film the historic Formula 1 cars from, and yeah, I'll give you a good look at that right now. vlog with all these NASCARs right behind me. Okay, that's much better. Like the previous cars were Formula 1 cars, very beautiful. And next up will be the Ferrari challenge again. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope you are too. So let's get into it. The last two series that we are going to film are the touring cars and the rally cars, and then the sports cars and GTs. And we've come all the way up to the hill climb, to the top of the hill climb to do that. So we better make it worthwhile. And then after that we'll just hang around for a bit more, and then we'll probably just leave and wait till next year.
Even that sounds accurate, doesn't it? That's similar to the X1 control. I would as well, yeah, I'd see
Okay, so that's it for us this weekend. We spent the day just filming more and more action shots to make sure we have enough footage to make separate videos of all the cars and all the batches that we saw here this weekend and that you saw here as well, because obviously we took you along for the ride. But we're going to head home now. We have a like 6-hour journey ahead of us. So yeah, it'll be for us at least once again a very tough day, but you gotta do what you gotta do to do the things you want to do. Keep that in mind. And with that, goodbye until the next one, which may be the Nürburgring, maybe something else, we'll see. Anyway, take care.